Hey everyone, and welcome to week 3 of the Shimmy Practice Challenge. I hope you've been practicing. Consistency is key, so that's why we're doing just a few minutes per day, because this is really what's going to build your muscle memory and it's going to help you build your strength and technique over time. The last 2 weeks we've been working a lot on our stamina, on our strength, on really getting more precise with our technique slowly so that we can start speeding it up and really keeping even and consistent movement for longer periods of time. Now in week 3, we can start to move on to some more advanced elements of shimmies and add in some layers. So talking about weight shifting layers, either shifting weight foot to foot, keeping a consistent rhythm, slides with the shimmies, twists with the shimmies here. You really want to make sure you're practicing base movements that are going to help you in the future layer this move on top of different hip moves. So you can imagine like slides and twists. This is a base movement that we use for lots of different moves. We use it for here, we need our twists to do our eights, we need our slides to do vertical eights, we need our slides to do circles. So just start incorporating some of these base layers into your practice this week. And I will see you next week for our last focus.